Get you one of these. Get you one of these. Okay. Hey y'all, it's Lana J back again with another video. How y'all doing? I hope y'all are doing good because I'm doing good and I want you to be doing good too. So if you are new here, welcome. And in today's video, as you guys can see, I'm in my car. So in today's video, I will be showing you guys my car essentials or what's in my car for 2020. This will include like all the stuff that I keep in my car. You know, like a trash can, tissues, like, you know, some stuff like that. So if you guys like that type of video, please keep watching. Also, do not forget to not skip the ads, okay? Don't skip my ads. Don't skip my ads. I'm going to be putting a video up soon talking about how I got monetized so quickly because y'all, when I tell you, it was like instant monetization. So if y'all want to know about that, please comment down below. Don't forget to follow me on my socials. I'll put them right here. This is for polls, quizzes, questions, anything that I can't do on YouTube. I will do it right here. Okay? Okay. It's not just up there because it's cute. It's up there because I want you to what? Follow me. Follow me. Okay, y'all. Let's get into this video. Okay, guys. So today, your girl went to Bath and Body Works for their semi-annual giant sale, that big sale that they have where like everything is super low priced and all that stuff. And I got a bunch of stuff for my car. I also got a little carrying case that I'll keep it in. And then I just really want to show you guys like what is in my car compartments and everything like that. So in this middle console that I have, you guys know I said I had some extra storage space. And I do. So this little cute bag that I have, you guys see it? It's a really, really cute travel bag that I got from Ulta today. So I also went to Ulta. And I basically put all of my necessities in here that are for me. So like beauty stuff, hygiene stuff, you know, anything along those lines, it would be in here. And I will switch it out due to the season. So like right now I have in here, I'll just take every product out. I don't care. Yeah, I don't care. So today in my little essentials bag, my girly essentials bag, I have the Fiji Sunshine Guavatini body lotion, 24-hour moisture, shea butter, and vitamin E oil. It's 8 fluid ounces. So I got this today. Hope you guys are seeing that clearly. So I got this today at Ulta Beauty. It's one of their newest scents, and it smells so good. Perfect scent for the summer. I promise you, it smells like so good. Okay. So I always think you should always keep lotion in your car, especially if like you're just running to go and, you know, get something and you just forgot to moisturize yourself, or the little part right here is like dry. You can just put out some lotion and put it on there. That's a problem that I always have. So definitely lotion's a plus for me. I also think everybody should have deodorant in their car. This is the deodorant that I use. Okay, so my mom always buys like extra deodorant, so I just grabbed one from her supply closet. So this is the Dove Advanced Care Caring Coconut Nutra Moisture 48-hour sweat odor and protection, antiperspirant. It's hot out here, y'all. Like right now, my car is telling me it is 91 degrees outside. If you are not wearing some type of deodorant, please put on some, because it's not cute. It's not cute. And baby powder wears off, so please just get some deodorant that lasts. If you are more on the sweaty side, I suggest Like, and if you're a girl, if you're on more on the sweaty side, like, you know, I used to sweat a lot too. Men's deodorant is also really nice too, because it's way more absorbent, which I don't even understand that. Like, somebody fix that for me. Okay. So another thing, especially for 2020 right now, a bottle of hand sanitizer. Okay, like, please have a bottle of hand sanitizer in your car in 2020. I promise you, right now, there with COVID-19 and everything, we want to make sure that we are being extra careful and extra cautious, okay, with handling things. You know, we don't want our car to have extra germs in it, do we? No. So I literally put this in my car. I also have one, excuse me. I also have one in my purse. So I have 2 of these on me pretty much wherever I go if I take my car. If I don't take my car, I have my purse with me that has one. So I promise you, this has to be like one of the most essential ones. I'll get into another really essential for 2020, but please make sure your hand sanitizer kills 99.99 of most illness causing germs. This is the soothing gel one with triple action moisturizers. You don't gotta have a fancy hand sanitizer. Like, you can even get a hand sanitizer from the Bath and Body Works place. They have good hand sanitizers as well. I just prefer Perel on me, to be honest. This is what I know the best of. So yes, hand sanitizer is definitely a must. For my ladies and gentlemen, a lip product, either something like this, you know, ladies, your lip gels, and lip glosses from the beauty supply store. Like, this costs $1, so just pick up another one and put it in your car. I know right now we're like wearing masks and stuff, but if you like to wear lip gloss under your mask, I do. I wear lip gloss for myself. I don't like my lips to be dry. That's just disgusting to me. Okay, so, you know, I have this in my car essentials. Obviously y'all can see that it's running low, but that's okay. Like, car essentials is like just in case. You don't need it to be like a full bottle of a product. You want it to be like a just in case. Like, oh, I forgot my lip gloss today. I have one in my car. I'm cool. You know, like, you want it to be like your savior, basically. So you don't have to have like Fenty Beauty in here. You know, you don't have to have that in here. You can easily just have like a little, oh, there go my lip gloss. Boo-doo-doo, cool. I mean, boo-doo-doo, cool. So, yeah. That's the lip gloss. And then this is just another lotion that I have in here. This is actually a Ultra Sheen body cream. So this is a body cream, and the other one was a lotion. So this is their Into the Nights. This is Bath and Body Works Into the Nights scent. I love it. I love it so much. It smells so good. And this is just if you want another option. This is like a little bonus. Like, say if you didn't like the first scent, but like, say if one night, you know, I'm going to dinner outside. You know, we don't eat inside right now, but you know, I'm going to dinner outside with my friends. We got dressed up a little bit. You know, I want to smell like this and not smell like Hawaiian and shores and all that stuff. Then I'll choose this and not this, to like, you know, rub on myself like real quick when I'm in the car. So that is everything in this little baggie that I got. I love it so much, and I love that it's pink because that just makes it even more cute. I put everything in here wrong. Okay. But yeah, like, this little thing fits up to like, it probably fits even more products if my stuff wasn't like all full size. I mean, not everything is full size in here, but this fits like a good amount of products, and I still have room for like, say, another hand sanitizer. A pack of tissues could go in here. What else? A little Band-Aid pack, like a travel size Band-Aid pack can go in here as well. So I didn't get any tissues yet because I didn't go to the drugstore. I need to go and get some, but they will be in my car because, you know, fall is coming up and the cold and allergy season is coming up, and I have allergies and I be sneezing and I be needing a tissue. So I will definitely put some tissues in here, but for right now, this is what I have in here. So get you one of these. Get you one of these. Okay. So that's everything that's in my console. That's everything that's in my console. Another essential in your car. Some sunnies. Okay. So these are my car sunnies. Okay, so whenever you are just driving around, the sun's in your eyes. Like, y'all know I wear my glasses, right? Well, my glasses actually fit comfortably under these gigantic shades. So when it's extra sunny outside, I can just put these extra shades on and my eyes are fine. So definitely, guys and gals, definitely have some type of sunglasses or something, because that sun can be mad annoying. Okay, another essential that I have right here in my glove compartment: face mask. Y'all see these? Do y'all see these? A car essential in 2020 is definitely some face masks. Now, I love the breathable ones, but I also have a couple that my friend had made for me and my family, and they're in my house. I'll usually bring one of them out with me, but now that I have these non-surgical, non-medical, 3-layer construction, protection against air pollutants, you know, blue is on the outside, white is on the inside, nose clip should be on top, throw away after one use. It takes away, it protects against bacterial, dust, pollen, like all that stuff. Now that I have this, I'm good to go. I can hop in my car, like say I forget my friend's mask, right? One of the masks my friends gave me. I hop in my car and I go to the store. Oh snap, I don't have a mask. Oh wait, yes I do, in my glove compartment. So definitely an essential for 2020. And you know what, maybe even 2021, but let's hope not. Let's hope not. But for right now, for the rest of 2020, we have to wear a mask everywhere. So everywhere that's outside of our house, you have to wear a mask. So definitely get yourself some of these. My mom ordered these for me off of Amazon. I don't know the direct link that she used, but I will ask her to send it to me so that I can put it in the description for this video, so that y'all can have some masks to order off of Amazon to put in your car. And I just keep them right in this little plastic thing and grab one at a time. So also a car essential, before I even get to this, a car essential is definitely let me move my phone. It's definitely a charging cord. Now right now I don't have an extra charging cord in here. I only have my cord that I use my Apple CarPlay with, but I do have some extra cords upstairs that I will be putting in my car, because you know, sometimes the passenger may not have their charging cord with them, or for me, I may need to charge my AirPods, and I can be charging my AirPods and listening to my music with this cord, and the other cord can charge my AirPods, and then that way when I get to my destination, I can keep listening to my music. You see what I'm saying? So yeah, definitely a charging cord is an essential for your car. Alright, just plugged my phone back in, but the radio's silent, so y'all not gonna hear it. And then I want to say, I think this is like my final car essential, really. Yeah, so my final car essential is a trash can. This is my trash can. I got this trash can off of Amazon. I will try to find my link in my Amazon orders and see if I can get it for y'all. But it came with these really cute plastic bags, plastic trash bags. And basically you just like unravel the bag until you see this dotted line right here. Y'all see that? Y'all see the dotted line? And then when you get to the dotted line, you just rip right there. You just unravel the the trash bag. I was gonna say the travel bag. You know, do a little fluff. And you have like a full trash bag now. Just put it in there. Make sure everything is good. And boom. You got an official trash bag. Trash can. And it opens at the top. So you just open it, put your thing in. You know. You can also open it this way if you have like a bigger item to put in there. And y'all, I've put a whole bunch of stuff in here because I had this in my Honda, the Honda Accord that I had. I used this with everything that I had in there. Like, I would also suggest getting one with the clip so that you can put it anywhere. Mine is going to be on the passenger side. Is definitely an essential for 2020, for your car in 2020, because since we're all wearing the mask, you know, mask breath is a real thing, okay? And nobody likes it when you go home to your family members and you take off your mask and your breath don't smell so good. That's not cute. That's not cute at all. So definitely some gum or some mints or something is definitely an essential, okay? This is the pack for my purse though. I will be putting another pack just like this in my little essentials, like my main essentials baggie. I definitely will be putting one of these in there, okay? So yeah. Also right here, this is a little fragrance for your car. This is my fragrance. It's Yankee Candle. I don't know if y'all recognize that. Yankee Candle Pink Sands. So yeah, y'all, that was my car essentials video. Car essentials, or what's in my car, whatever y'all want to call it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do not forget, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, y'all see me sweating in here. It's hot as hell and I don't have the fan on. So yeah, but please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and join us. Don't forget about the socials as well. And then if you guys like to see any other car videos, please comment them down below. If you haven't checked out my previous car videos, I will make sure to link them down below in the description. So please check the description box because I'll have everything about my car. If you know nothing about it, I will have the decorating my car, so where y'all can see how I did this whole steering wheel thing. Everything in there, alright? I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!